This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, now let's return back to the discussion of the gold market. On the gold market we see some really cunning action. That's very typical for the gold market, and we have seen it many times already on the gold market, and don't be deceived by this action that seems like the bounce up, and probably looks like some move to the upside. Especially we'll take a look at the euro currency, how it currently is appreciating. But on the gold market, when this really some kind of the pit, when gold market trying to make the picture that it's really start to move up prior the hitting of the significant targets. So you can see that 100% extension hadn't been tested just for a few cents, and after that market returns right back, testing this target, grabbing the stops around these lows, and only after that showing some another action. Maybe it's downward continuation, maybe the wash and rinse or something. But current move up and the fact that market hasn't tested this 100% extension target of this big ABC tab pattern, this is the trap. For those who will trying to take the position based on the trend shifting, now you can see that gold now is trying to shift the trend on the bullish side. But by the end of the day, I will not be surprised if we will get some kind of the bearish stop grabber here. That's very probable. Besides, as we have yesterday discussed the correlation between the Australian dollar and the gold market, we have seen that Australian dollar already have shown the wash and rinse of the previous lows. And that's probably will be the scenario for the gold market. As we said, we do not know what will happen after that, but this is really the great probability that the market will clear out the stops around 1180, and our target on the gold market in the short-term perspective, maybe even today, maybe in the beginning of the next week, is 1160, 1175 area. This market probably should grab the stops and clear out the lows, but what will happen after that we will see. That's why do not treat this move up as the reversal or something of that sort. That's the illusion. So in fact, market will probably return right back and hit the target first. So keep in mind this possibility. On the 4-hour time frame chart, here we have some other confirmation of that action. Take a look. That market has created, in fact, some sort of the godly triple to sell. So we have the ABCD retracement right from the 127 target of this butterfly. And market has hit very significant resistance cluster. That is an agreement with this by the Judd-Napoli framework. So you can see this is 3.8 resistance, 12.18 area, major 3.8 resistance that coincides with the target of this opposite ABCD action. That calls an agreement. That creates the stronger resistance than just single fib level. Also, this is the natural support resistance. So you can see the support. Here as market has broken, it will be the resistance. And the third, that is the weekly pivot point. That also stands in the same area. So market has big chances to stop this retracement up somewhere in this area. And one of the patterns that could be formed here, take a look. That could be the butterfly cell that is forming on the hourly time frame chart. The 1618 extension stands 1216.50 approximately. 1218 is the 3.8 resistance on the 4-hour time frame chart. So market could show some small spike up by hitting this target of this butterfly, and later we should see what will happen. So keep an eye on this resistance area, 1216, 1218 area, because market has chances to stop this action to the upside somewhere in this area. This action is not the impulse move. This is some sort of you can see retracement, very choppy and sloppy price action, small candles. It's not very consistent action, not as this one. Okay, so keep an eye on this level because market could turn down from this area. Also take a look that the ultimate target of this smaller butterfly If we'll take a link extension from that low to this high and count it to the downside, this 1618 stands precisely in an area around 1178. And 1618 extension of this bigger ABCD pattern that we have discussed also on the hourly time frame chart. We have here ABC top. So 1618 target hasn't been tested yet. It stands around 1172 approximately. Okay. So also you can see untouched targets on the hourly time frame as well. That's why do not rely on this action to the upside, and I think that's not the situation where we should take any bullish positions by far. Our bullish setup is possible wash and rinse of the 1180s lows. So if market will show the wash and rinse, return right back above these lows and hold there, that could be the challenge on the potential long-term retracement. At least the chances exist right now for that. Especially with all sentiment that now stands on the gold market. We have discussed it yesterday, so you could review the yesterday's video when I have discussed this about the speeches of the different analysis on the gold market. Well, that is possible, but right now is not the time to take the long position. Be focused on the possible continuation. I think that this is just the trap prior to clear out on the hitting of the 1160, 1175 area. That probably will happen. So, that being said, take a look at this level, since market has really chances to turn down from this area, since this is rather a really nice cluster of resistance on the 4-hour time frame chart. And if this will really happen, we will stand on the road to the 1160, 1175 area. That's the short-term setup that we should monitor in the nearest days.